Good morning, student. Welcome to Gyanjati online classes. Class 8 English. Mike and Hers, chapter 11, poem number 11. My future will not copy fair my past. This poem is written by Elizabeth Barrett Browning. You have to know something about Elizabeth Barrett Browning. This is a sonnet poem, and sonnet is the 14-line poem. Yes, you have to know that sonnet is the 14-line poem that is called sonnet, and the sonnet was written by Elizabeth Barrett Browning during the English Victorian era. Victorian era means you, in the period of 1806 to 1861. In this period of this poem is, although credited to Mrs. Browning, it was finished by her husband. Yes, although credited to Mrs. Browning, it was finished by her husband Robert Browning. आधा जो कविता का completion उसके स्वामी के द्वारा लिखा गया. So we can say that both of them, wife and husband, both were poet. Here, whatever incompleted poem was completed by her husband. Okay. The constant reference to angels show the influence of religion on her life. And here, angels are a symbol of hope. Angels के बारे में दिया गया है. आगे की आशा है हमारा. Protection and purity. हमारे सुरक्षा के लिए, हमारी हर मनोकामना के लिए, हमारी शुद्धता के लिए, हमारी अच्छी भलाई के लिए उन लोग हैं. और कभी भी मुसीबत होता है, एंजल हमारे सपोर्ट में रहते हैं. इट्स ओके. एंड इन दिस पोएम लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट दैट द स्पीकर वांट्स टू मेक ए चेंज इन लाइफ, and make her future better than her past. Do you know that we are not same? Sometimes we have the good mood, sometimes bad. Sometimes we have the blessing, sometimes curse. Sometimes कभी-कभी जीवन में बहुत दुख का समय होता है, तो कभी सुख का समय होता है. जीवन ऐसे ही पहेली है, जबकि कभी खुशी तो कभी गम. ओके. So here the speaker is musing and reflecting over some old piece of writing. कुछ पुराने लिखा गया चीज को रिफ्लेक्ट किया जा रहा है. She is comparing her thoughts of past. जो अतीत की जो बात है उसको कंपेयर किया जा रहा है to a present state of mind. वर्तमान समय को लेके the comparison from past to present. Yes, imagine yourself. एक समय you may be very poor, may not be good in condition, but now may be very good one. Yes, sometimes you may be good, and we can say this year, because of the coronavirus, we can say that we are going through lots of challenges. Life has different moods, different types of challenges, different types of activities. We have to face it. So let's start this point. My future will not copy fair my past. Copy fair means better. The poets, one of the writing he wrote is a writing. The speaker is raging over copy of some notes, a piece of memory that had written somewhere in her past long before she met her beloved. अपने स्वामी से मिलने से पहले वो लिखे थे कि मेरा फ्यूचर मेरा अतीत जैसे नहीं होगा. When I meet you, my life will be something different than. Yes, as now I am, as I was in the past, and no more in the future. एक लिखा था, एक राइटिंग था, ठीक है? I wrote that once. एक समय लिखा था. Who says? The poet says. And thinking at my side, और ऐसे मैं सोच रहा था, and at the time she wrote this, my future will not copy fair my past. She believed it was true because her muse, which she calls her ministering life angel, approved the word by glancing upwards. Let's see. एंड थिंकिंग एट माई साइड, और मेरे तरफ से मैं सोच रहा था, माई मिनिस्टरिंग मीन्स अटेंडिंग लाइफ एंजल, एंजल इज द गार्डिंग, एंजल फॉर प्रोटेक्शन, एंजल फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन, एंजल्स फॉर केयरिंग। मेरे जीवन का जो स्वर्गदूत है वो मेरा जो उपस्थिति में रहते हैं, और मेरा जो लिखा था, मैं सोच रहा था कि आई होप दैट व्हाट इज रिटन इन मी, कि आगे का जो कहानी है ऐसा ना हो। यस, अभी जो मेरे साथ गुजर रहा है, आगे का कहानी अच्छा हो। दैट मीन्स लेट्स सी, दैट्स व्हाई टेल्स लाइक दैट, जस्टिफाइड द वर्ड by his appealing look of caste. The word, yes, by his appealing look. Do you know appealing look? Appealing look means the requesting look. Upward means came directly from God. मैं ऊपर को मैं देख रहा हूँ. Let's see. And this glance seems to be the signal that the thought came directly from God. और जो ऊपर को देख रही है वो सीधा कहाँ से आ रही है? From God. The word by appealing is requesting some look. And to the white throne of God. Do you know? White throne. Do you know, according to Christian belief, that one day we have the judgment. Yes, there is a judgment day. The God is going to judge every one of you, whether you are a good person or a bad person, to have to give your record what you have done in this earth. So here, so in this judgment time, the poet says that to the white throne of God, and at that time, what the decision here? Let's discuss here. The speaker looked directly to God herself instead of through her muse or angel. Now the poet is no more looking the muse or angel. The angel को ही नहीं देख रहा हूँ. I am going directly towards the God. Towards God, okay? Direct, not by any medium or anything else. She then saw her beloved who was clearly bound up, angel in soul, his soul. What did she see? I turned at last. I turned and मैं ऊपर को आखिरी में देखा, and there instead saw thee. मैं judgment में मैं तुमको देखा. Thee means speaking to her husband. Who is husband is Robert Browning. Yes, वो रॉबर्ट ब्राउनिंग को न्याय के समय में देख रहे हैं. Not on elite, the two angels. Not on elite. On elite means here having no connection or relation between these angels. यहाँ angels से कोई रोल नहीं है. Yes, I am the speaker. Long journey from suffering and pain, and finally led her to the variable fountain of healing. Now the poet is going towards this topmost part, and there he is no more seeing these angels, but directly seeing the God. Okay, two angels in thy soul. Means here having no connection of the angels, and two angels in thy soul. Thy means your, which the bride, Robert Browning husband's soul is the different part of body. You may be in the form of, you have the soul, and our body is one of the part of soul. Okay, then let's see. I long tried, let's see, long tried by naturalists. I means the poet says, long tried by naturalists. Do you know naturalists means? We in our life different types of pains. बीमार रहना या सेहत बिगड़ जाना. This is common. That poet says that my past is not good. I am going through what? Pain. I am going through suffering. I am going through pain. Yes, the poet says here that the comforting balm of the speaker's beloved quickly revived her spirit, though it took her mind much contemplations and even agitations to understand and finally accept what she had been given by him. Now see, here I long tried by naturalists. Yes, that is कुदरती ill means बीमारियां हैं. What he received the comforts, उस बीमारी में, उस दर्द में कुछ तसल्ली मिला. Comfort means relax, fast. What that in the judgment day God may have told them, you pass as you have, but you will get very means the fair, means you will the future will be more better than that, and you will not go through this type of pain anymore. It's okay? You don't understand? Then while budding, do you know budding means? Budding is just the फूल की जो शुरुआत है. Yes, during the journey, the speaker's pilgrim staff. Let's see here. At thy side, my pilgrim staffs. During budding, at thy side. At thy side means in which side? In God's side. Okay. While budding means in the beginning time, my pilgrim's staff means here pilgrim staff is given here, walking stick, pilgrims on the way of St. James for the sin of Santiago, composed in Spain, Compostela in Spain. This is one of the staff, and here while budding means beginning of the journey. At in your side, the staff which is used in going to the very sacred place, give out green leaves. Our staff से नया पत्ता है, with morning dew and pearl. Yes, staff से new leaf comes. Okay, give green leaves with morning. सुबह से क्या हुआ? मुझे नया सा जीवन दिया. New life. Let's see. New life. Gave out green leaves with morning dew, a youthful freshness. Revived the speaker's thinking and inspired her so fully that she finally felt she was beginning to live. Now gave new life to her. What gave her new life? As past was not good. Now, in this collection, the poet got the new life. How did she got new life? Gave out green leaves with morning dew and pearl. Do you know सुबह का समय में जो कि dew पानी का जो ओस गिरा for the very costly jewels. It's bright. It's very costly items. Yes. And morning dew ample. Ample is the one form of the pearls. That means उसका जो लाइफ का जो मूड है अति से फ्यूचर में बहुत ही अच्छा है. New life is coming to her. I seek no copy now of life's first half. Poets say, as I have gone through painful journey, as I have gone through very much very painful life, as she faced a lot of pain, the poet said that my life will be more brighter now. मैं जब मेरा समय का ज़्यादा बहुत बुरा चला है. Now I see my future in the very bright. I see no copy means no any type of past and thing will no more repetition. Okay, my future will be very bright. Okay, at the last realizing the beauty and majesty of this man's feeling of her, the speaker now understands that the second half of her life will be very different from the first half. Okay. And she is very grateful for this fortunate change in her situation because of her good fortune. The speaker seek no copy now of life's first half, means new life. The pain of the past has been erased. अतीत का जो दर्द है वो हट चुका है. And the future portends brightness and happiness. भविष्य तो उसका बहुत ही उज्जवल है. She is going to get a future more brighter than that. It's okay. Now, last part of this poem. Let's discuss. Leave her the pages with long musing curl. Leave here the pages. Yeah, what pages? Regarding the pages with long musing, the speaker wishes to allow them to yellow and young and remain on remarkables. Yes, leave here the pages with long musing curl. Long musing means period of thinking carefully about something. जो चीज बहुत बुरा चला है. Yes, now she tells that जो लिखा गया है जो लंबा समय के लिए कि जो कहानी बहुत ही बुरा कहानी लिखा है, जो कि शायद लाइफ में जो घटना हो रहा है जो बुरा लिखा गया है तो बुरा हो रहा है, और जो पुरानी बुरी चीज है उसको हटा दीजिए और नया चीज लिखिए. Yes, speaker wishes to allow them to yellow and page and unremarkable. She can write herself new future's epigraph. Epigraph. Do you know? New future. तो नया लाइफ लिखना है. Yes, leave here the pages with long musing curl and write me new my future's epigraphs. Yes, epigraph is a new phase. Means whatever the incident, whatever the things happen in my life, that will be no more, and new life will start, new generation will start, or new type of my standard will come. It's okay. The speaker credits her beloved, whom she calls new angel mine. Yes, on hope for in the world. Yes, on hope for the world. New angel mine. Yes, that new angel means a new message here that she will have the new life, as she hopes that the future is not more good at all, and the poet thinks that she will have the very good time in the coming time, and my future will not copy my past. Yes, मेरा अतीत में जो बुरा समय गुजरा है मेरा भविष्य जैसा ना हो. In the hope's lesson. So in the hope and protection and purity, the speaker wants to make a change in life and make her future better than her past. This is the lesson of hope. कि अभी जो बुरा हाल में गुजरा हूँ, the next time when comes, I'll not more face this type of things. I will have a very good time. So मेरे जीवन में नया चीज लिखो, जो पुरानी जो घटिया चीज लिखे थे अभी इसे भोग रहा हूँ. So change the epigraph, change this new prefix. Write me new, my future's epigraph, not old one. जो बीता बीता, but for the next phase of my life will be not like this very past one. New angel mine means my angel. Do you know life में different angels? बुरे समय के एंजल थे, अभी जो नया एंजल आए हैं और उसका काम है कि जो अनुभव जो आशा नहीं किया था, which I have not hoped for the future. I hope that you write good things. Do you know, according to belief, कि हमारे साथ जो घटना हो रहा है ऊपर वाले के इशारे में हो रहा है, और हम जैसे भी हरकत कर रहे हैं, that is according to the records. We are acting according to this poem. I can say that we are behaving or acting according to our this type of attitudes. And this poem, the very depth of very deep poem, and it needs so much meditations and hard work to understand the depth of the poem. And if you read again and again, you will understand the very depth of the poem, which is a very meaningful poem. So I can recall and review that he requests to erase all the painful side and to write a new one. And here he remembers the beloved husband and that time she starts a new career of the life. And in this way, the poet describes very beautifully this poem, and I hope that this poem may inspire you to give more messages and more things to continue, and it may help you in your study. So I suggest you to read this poem and learn by heart, and anything is unclear to you, that will be clear by reading again and again in your life. So students, I once again tell that Elizabeth Barrett Browning, she was the English Victorian era, okay? English Victorian era. At the time, life was something challenging and she was suffering a lot. Here Mrs. Browning, it was finished by her husband. As we can see, the Browning family, Miss Elizabeth, whatever incomplete work was completed by her husband. So we can see that the poem is very correlated and co-connected, and I hope you that it may help you in your study. So whatever the lessons I had taught you, I had to suggest you to learn. Do you know this is sonnet? I had told you about sonnet. I can say something. Sonnet in the 14th line, and the sonnet means the word come from Italian word sonetto. Sonetto. The Italian word that is sonetto, it means a small or little song or relief. Each line in a sonnet has 10 syllables. It's okay? And usually the sonnet is divided into a set of 8 lines called the octave. Yes, जो ऊपर का जो 8 लाइन को octave बोला जाता है, and the 6 lines called sestet. Octave. 8 lines called octave, and rest of the 6 lines is called sestet. These are the lines here. So you have to learn about the sonnets and many sonnets, and especially many sonnets written by William Shakespeare also. And you have to go through different sonnets. They have around many sonnets written. And here the poet very briefly describes the lesson very wonderfully, and I hope you that may help you in your study career. Also, in this poem, I can say about the poem, that the poem may be very influential in your life. So meet you once again in the next period. So have a good day and goodbye.